What's going on, brother? It's your man Pat Caesar LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services, and I'm out here again, man, getting ready to drop this Cavalier. Y'all remember this from my flexing video. It honestly did not do very much damage. Maybe it's the aerodynamicsness of it, I'm not too sure, but crazy trip, taking my time getting ready. We just had the whole holiday seasons or whatever. I don't get down with the holidays like that, but just want to make a quick video, man. This thing's getting ready to go to the yard right now, and it's crazy. This is the thing. Y'all see I got it far back. That's just to get that axle weight distribution going. Underneath here, I realize that every time I tow a car like this, it's always the cars that would seem to me to break down the most. Never seem to have the actual hook points on where you should properly grab this thing from. You got to be digging and using J hooks and all types of stuff. Where Hondas, for instance, just have a regular hook right in the front and then they never break down. I like hardly ever tow Hondas or Toyotas who have the access points to do it. But when I get a call for an Audi or a Mercedes or a BMW, you got to fish around just to find an access point. So that's it. I won't spend too much time talking on this, man. I just want to make a quick video. We out here, man. We are doing it, and live in effect. I'm gonna go ahead and dump this thing off, and I'll probably just get a video while I'm at the scrapyard so you guys can see how that whole thing goes. So keep on following. Space. It's super dusty out here too. That's the one thing that's about the junkyard. That's why I don't bring my truck and my trailer unless I'm bringing the Expedition down here, but that thing's got so many issues. I only like to drive it that far. I can see the dust from here. Jesus Christ, what is he doing? I know ain't nobody jumped that Silverado. That thing better not be jumped. Yeah. Well, that's good. It's actually kind of slow here today. Gas on it. Gas on it. Oh yeah. Make it through the mud. Oh yeah. Look at that pile of scrap. The school buses. That 3800 series, man. I would get one of those and supercharge it. I ain't gonna lie. I'm about that life. No motor. Uh-oh. It's the most popular truck. I got one now. I swear to God, I seem like I can't go anywhere without finding one. Do, 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 do. La, da, 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 da. Do, do. Do, 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 do. In the city, California. They're taking this crane out, so I guess we're gonna post up, man, and we'll get back to it in a minute. All right, so we missed that whole thing with the weigh-in. People kicking up dust, hard to breathe out here. I'm about to go ahead and drop this car. Come on, get out the way, dude. There was a hold up, and it took 30 minutes to get the damn thing off the scale. Now buddy's off the scale, so I'm about to drop this down and go ahead. I just got a call for a lockout. Open. Gotta multitask because I gotta get on back. I literally would have already been gone had it not been for the dude on the scale for damn 35 minutes. You got to make that shmoney. Shmoney. What's up, man? I did have a job. Somebody got it before me. That's all right. I'll push it out the way as soon as I get the bed up. You got it. You got it. You got it. Yeah, yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Straighten up. Perfect. All right. Oh, dale un momento. Dale ahora, está bien. Yep. Yep. Hey, I'm about to go reweigh. I'm gonna go, all right. Alrighty. Well, I missed out on a lockout. That sucks. The lockouts pay good. But this is the thing, y'all. You can't win them all. Take it off my head. Wipe my sweat now, y'all. See the mountain of trash. Right. Come on, dude. All right, all right. Get the hell out of the way. What's going on, man? I just got 2 batteries in the red. Getting ready to go right here, and then probably there, and then maybe there. Thanks. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, would it be better for me to do it separate? Would it be better to do it separate? Yeah, then we cool. Then we're running on one. Great, appreciate it. What you willing to take? A camera. Yeah. $560. Right. So like right here, and what we'll do, cause it gets super dusty out here. Bring my phone, cellular. Keep you cracked just a little bit to keep that air going, but this is to minimize the dust. Now I tell there's a lot of dust out here. Peace, Cavi. It's been real. Hopefully I don't lose a whole lot on that thing, but we're about to find out. How much, if I come pick it up today, were you willing to take? So, I lost my ass on it. When I calculated this in my mind, man, they took like they counted as 2,500, so I was off by like 600 pounds, which significantly dropped. So you win some and you lose some. I didn't make my money back on the exhaust, nor did I make my money back on actually scrapping the car. So I will know for next time. More diligently checking out my inventory and not overpaying. This is why people don't like to pay a lot when it comes to the scrap game, just in case there's an error like this made. So this was a huge loss. Well, not huge, I mean $100. In the world of people who don't have money, that's a whole lot. It ain't like I just have $100 to blow, but it's a peace of mind. It's now gone. And yeah, so either way, that's it. I'm getting back on this road, getting back to doing some more tolls, and gonna rock and roll out of here. I just tried to sell that dude some tires for like $10, and he said no, because they were one size up. He messed up. He really did, but it's all good. Like, share, subscribe. Any questions or concerns? How you making money with your truck? You got a truck and a trailer? What you doing? Where's the money? The shmoney? Talk to me. Holla at me. Till next time, mi gente. Mi promundo beneficio. Siempre.